Hello, welcome to the Talklish Podcast. My name is Mark. I am an English teacher from New York.
And hello, everyone. My name is Elena. I am so happy to be here. I am learning English with all of you today.
That's right. This is Talklish. We don't just teach English, we help you talk English. Elena, how are you today?
I am great, Mark. I am a little bit tired, but I am excited.
Tired? Why are you tired?
Well, my morning routine was very busy today.
Perfect. That is our topic for today. Daily routines. We are going to talk about what we do every day, from the moment we open our eyes to the moment we go to sleep.
This is a very important lesson. I use these words every day when I talk to my friends and family.
Exactly. Today we will learn verbs for the morning, afternoon, and night. We will look at time expressions and we will practice the present simple grammar.
And stay with us until the end because we have a Talklish challenge for you to practice your speaking.
Part 2. Opening your eyes, the morning. Okay, Alina, let's start at the beginning. It is 6 a.m., your eyes open. What is the verb?
The verb is wake up. I wake up.
Correct. Let's say it together for the listeners. I wake up. Now, Elena, do you leave your bed immediately?
No, Mark, I am lazy. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:15.
Ah, get up. That is an important difference. Wake up means your eyes are open. Get up means your feet touch the floor. You leave the bed.
Listeners, repeat after Mark. I get up.
After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. The water is cold.
I do that too. And then I brush my teeth. This is very important. Everyone must brush their teeth.
I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Elena, do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. I take a hot shower. It helps me feel awake.
Some people say take a shower and some people say have a shower. Mark, which is correct? Both are correct, Elena. In the US, they often say take a shower, and in the UK, we often say have a shower. Both are perfect for Talklish.
Good to know. After my shower, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. Today, I'm wearing my green sweater and blue jeans.
Very nice. Now I am hungry. It is time for...
Breakfast. I love breakfast. Mark, what do you usually have for breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30. I usually eat toast and eggs, and I always drink coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee.
I am the same. I drink black tea, but I eat cereal with milk.
Let's review the morning verbs for our listeners. Listen and repeat after Elena.
Wake up. Get up. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Drink coffee.
Great job! Now our morning is finished. We are ready to go out. Part 3. On the move. Transportation. Elena, how do you go to work?
I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house. It is very easy. How about you, Mark? Do you take the bus?
No, I don't. I drive a car. I drive my car to the Talklish studio. Sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
Traffic is terrible. My friend Sarah doesn't take the bus or drive. She walks to work. Or she says, I go on foot.
On foot is a great expression. Let's look at the options for our listeners. Drive a car. Take the bus. Take the train. Ride a bicycle. Walk.
Mark, what do you do while you drive? Do you listen to the radio?
Yes, I listen to music or I listen to a podcast. It makes the journey faster.
I listen to music on the bus, too. It takes about 20 minutes to arrive at my office.
Now we're at work. I start work at 9 a.m. Elena, what time do you start?
I start at 8:30 a.m. I am a secretary, so I am very busy. I use a computer all day.
What else do you do at the office?
I answer the phone and I write emails. I write many, many emails. What about you, Mark? You are a teacher.
Well, I have classes. I talk to my students. We study grammar and vocabulary. Sometimes I have meetings with other teachers.
At 1 p.m., I am very hungry again. It is time to have lunch.
Do you eat lunch at your desk, Helena?
No, I go to a small cafe with my colleagues. We talk and we eat. I usually have a sandwich or a salad. It is a nice break.
I usually bring my lunch from home. I eat in a staff room. I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish at 5 p.m. too. I am always happy when it is 5 o'clock.
Me too, but the day is not finished. Now we have the afternoon. After work, I don't go home immediately. I often go to the supermarket. I need to buy food for dinner.
I sometimes go to the gym. I want to be healthy. I exercise for 1 hour. It is difficult, but I feel good after.
That is very good, Elena. I'm a bit lazy. I don't go to the gym. I go to the park and I go for a walk. It is very relaxing.
After the gym or the park, we go home. I arrive at my house at 6:30 p.m.
Let's look at those verbs again. Start work. Answer the phone. Have a meeting. Have lunch. Finish work. Go to the supermarket. Go to the gym. Go home. Okay, Elena, it is time for a very important grammar lesson. Listeners, pay attention.
I'm ready. We are talking about the present simple, right?
Yes, when I talk about myself, the verb is simple. I work. I eat. I go.
But what happens when I talk about you, Mark, or my sister?
That is the magic S. For he, she, and it, we must add an S to the end of the verb. He works in London. Elena eats lunch at 1. My car goes very fast.
Oh, so if I talk about my brother, I say, he wakes up at 7.
Exactly. He wakes up, not he wake up.
What about go and do? Do we just add an S?
Almost. For go, we add ES. It becomes goes. She goes to the gym.
And do becomes does. He does his homework.
And the most important one, have. Have is special. For he and she, it becomes has. I have a coffee. She has a coffee.
This is a little bit difficult, but I will practice. Listeners, try to say it with me. I play, she plays. I work, he works. I have, it has.
Excellent. You sound like a natural English speaker already. Now it is evening. We are at home. Elena, what do you do in the evening?
Well, first I cook dinner. I like to cook pasta or fish. Then I eat dinner with my husband. We talk about our day.
That sounds lovely. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like a dirty kitchen.
Me neither. After that, I like to relax. I sit on the sofa and I watch TV. Sometimes I watch a movie or the news.
I prefer to read a book. I find it very quiet and peaceful.
Sometimes I check my phone, I look at social media, or I talk to my friends on WhatsApp.
At 10 p.m., I start to feel tired. I brush my teeth again and I put on my pajamas.
I do the same, and finally, I go to bed. I turn off the light and I fall asleep.
Zzz.
Wake up, Mark! We haven't finished the podcast.
Sorry, Elena. I was dreaming about English grammar. Now, to make our routine descriptions better, we use frequency adverbs. These words tell us how often we do something.
Like the word always?
Yes, always means 100%, every day. I always brush my teeth.
And the opposite is never, 0%. I never drink alcohol.
What about the words in the middle? Usually, 80 to 90%. I usually take the bus. Often, 70%. I often go to the park. Sometimes, 50%. I sometimes eat pizza for dinner.
Where do we put these words in a sentence?
Great question. We put them before the auction verb. I sometimes watch TV, not I watch sometimes TV. He always arrives on time.
Mark, let's play a game. I will tell you a sentence, and you tell me if it is true for you. Use a frequency adverb.
Okay, I'm ready.
Elena, do you play video games?
I sometimes play video games on my computer, maybe once a week.
Okay. Mark, do you wake up at 5 a.m.?
Oh, no. I never wake up at 5 a.m. That is too early. I always wake up at 7.
Listeners, now you try. Think about this. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
You can say, I always drink coffee or I never drink coffee.
Now let's put everything together. Imagine Elena and I are friends meeting for a coffee. Listen to our conversation about routines.
Hi, Elena. How are you?
I'm good, Mark, but I'm very busy these days.
Really? What is your daily routine like?
Well, I always wake up early at 6. I have a quick breakfast, and then I go to the gym.
The gym in the morning. Wow.
Yes. Then I start work at 9. I teach English all day. I usually finish work at 6 p.m. What about you?
My day is different. I don't go to the gym. I usually wake up at 7:30. I take the bus to the office. I work from 8:30 to 5. In the evening, I always cook dinner for my family.
Do you relax at night?
Yes, I sometimes watch a movie, but I usually read a book and go to bed at 11.
We are both very busy people.
When you meet someone new, you can ask them about their day. Elena, what are some common questions?
You can ask, what time do you wake up? How do you go to work? What do you do in your free time? Do you like your routine?
Remember, when you ask a question, use do for you, we, and they, and does for he, she, and it. Do you drink tea? Does your brother work in an office?
Let's practice that. Listeners, repeat after me. Do you have a car? Does she speak English? Do they live here?
Okay, everyone, it is time for the Talklish Challenge.
This is your chance to speak out loud. Don't be shy.
I am going to ask you 3 questions. I will leave a pause, a silence. You must answer the question using a full sentence. Question 1. What time do you get up in the morning? Good. You can say, I get up at 8. Question 2. How do you go to work or school? Excellent. Maybe you said, I take the bus or I walk. Question 3. What do you do in the evening to relax? Fantastic. I watch TV or I listen to music.
Well done, everyone. Speaking out loud is the best way to learn.
We are almost at the end of our podcast. Elena, what did we learn today?
We learned so much. We learned verbs, wake up, get up, brush, wash, eat, drink, work, finish, relax, and sleep.
We learned about time, at 7 o'clock, in the morning. We learned the S rule, he works, she goes. And we learned frequency, always, usually, sometimes, never.
That is a lot of English for one day. If you found this difficult, don't worry. You can listen to this podcast again and again.
Yes, repetition is the secret to learning a language. Before we go, we have some homework for you.
Homework? Oh, no.
Don't worry, Elena. It's easy. I want you to write 3 sentences about your routine. One thing you always do, one thing you sometimes do, one thing your friend or partner does. Remember the S.
For example, I always drink tea. I sometimes go to the cinema. My husband plays football on Sundays.
Perfect. Write them down and read them out loud 5 times. Thank you so much for joining us on the Talklish Podcast. It was a pleasure to teach you today.
Thank you, everyone. You did a great job. Remember, every day is a new chance to practice your English.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel Talklish and share it with your friends.
In our next episode, we will talk about hobbies and free time. What do you do on the weekend?
I can't wait. Until next time,
Keep talking.
and keep learning. Goodbye.